early morning hours of May 8th, 2021, the police department received a report of a burglary of a business that occurred at 280 Higuera Street. 22 hours later, a second burglary of a business was reported at 157 Higuera Street. With security camera video, investigators were able to link both burglaries as being committed by the same person driving the same vehicle. However, the suspect in the video was wearing a mask and their identity remained unknown. On May 10th at approximately 4 a.m., police were alerted to a third business burglary at 120 Tank Farm Road. Just 90 minutes later, a fourth burglary occurred at 888 Ricardo Court. Again, security video showed what appeared to be the same vehicle, a light-colored GMC Envoy, as seen in the previous burglaries. Police records indicated that Jerome lived in an apartment at 3175 Camilla Court. His apartment was located just within 2 miles of all 4 burglary locations.
Department, search warrant, open the door, we're gonna force entry. Giron?
Edward, Giron.
Edward, open the door. Edward, it's the police department, open the door. Edward, come out here.
Shots fired, shots fired. He's got a gun, he's shooting at us. All units, all units. Are you okay, Steve?
Hit in the head and arm. Did you get it?
I think so. He came out, he pointed his gun at me.
I'm copying that down. 4223, response.
Edward, come out here.